Finally, a beautiful day. It's so relaxing. I think I'll just have a cup of coffee, enjoy the day, think about what do I want to do today? Anything? Nothing? I think I'll just have a cup of coffee and relax.
Hello? Hi. Yeah, I'll meet you down the Fire Cafe in 30 minutes. Sure, okay. Right, see you then, doei. Aren't some days just like that? Think you're going to have a relaxed day, and next thing you know, you got to be out the door in 5 minutes. So here's my little travel makeup bag, my day bag, my quick travel bag, and the products that we're going to be using in it is, of course, an eyeshadow palette. I've got a glow mirror so I can do touch-ups. Also, foundation, that'll be our first item we'll put on. Some cheeks and lips. I'll list the items below so that you can see them. Mascara, our concealer highlighter pencil, and of course our dual Smashbox brush, so that this is all we're going to use. We're going to use our fingers and this brush to do all of our makeup. So the first thing that I'm going to do is put on this Pretty Natural by Essence, and of course, like I said, I'll list it and I'll hold it up and show it to you. And I'm going to start the timer because we've got to be there so quick. I don't want to leave her waiting. I hate to be late. Okay, so let's start the timer. 5 minutes, we've got to go. Let's get started. That's 5 products in 5 minutes and out the door. Okay, so let's start. So the first thing I'm using is Beige, and this is just a nice sheer out the door everyday base, and it's got Hyaluron in it and Aloe Vera, so you don't have to worry about getting a cakey look. This is great for dry skin. I have kind of a combination skin, so I find it works for that as well. All of us can use a little Hyaluron and Aloe Vera on our skin. I'm also going to use this because we're not building up and doing lots of products. We just got 5 products. So this is my eyes also, and base, my eye base as well, and also as a concealer underneath. Just want to brighten under there, get that under there a bit. Okay, so that's our base. 1 minute down. Now I'm going to go in with cheeks. This is going to be Maybelline's Cheek Heat, and I'm just going to dab that on here. Get some rosy glow on the cheeks. This is nice and sheer to go with that sheer base. Women always ask me that are silvered and white haired and gray hair, what do you do not to look old or washed out? And my suggestion is a little bit is great. We can use this on our lips of just some rosy glow, sheer blush. So that's our cheeks, our lips. Next I'm going in with a concealer pencil. This is a dual pencil. This is just to give us a little bit brighter. Wake up in the morning. I barely had a cup of coffee. I will have some soon with my friend. And you just need to brighten up a little bit. This highlighter, I'm just going to go in and again the corner of my eyes to brighten up and make my eyes have a little bit more pop, maybe a little bit on the nose. That's all we need. I'm not going to go in with some eyeshadow palettes, and we're going to use our dual brush, and so I'm just picking up a little bit of this kind of taupe brown caramel color. It's going to give us a little depth. Just brush it in up there under the crease. Make your eyes come forward. Gives you some dimensions around your eyes so they're not just disappearing. I'm going to now go in with the darkest color, and that's going to give us, and just go along my, as you would do your eyeliner, just go along your lid there above your lashes, and just with that flat, very flat brush, that's going to help again define, pop. No liquid eyeliner or gel pens necessary. I'm going to go back in with this brush and just smoke that out some. Smoke that out there. I'm going to go in with a little bit of this darker. Give myself a little bit of brows so my brows aren't disappearing. Doesn't need a lot. Let's get this one over here with a little bit of a that's it. We need some mascara. There you go. I'm going to drop this all in my bag. When I leave the house, take it with me. It's a small bag, 5 products, 5 minutes. Color. Don't want to go out with my hair looking like that. A little hat. We're going to be down at the cafe by the canal. There we go. A hat. And as we do in the Netherlands, we always wear a scarf around our necks. A scarf. Tie that up. And voila. I have 2 seconds. And snooze. And we made it. So that's it. We have eyes, we have makeups, a rosy glow, a little bit of color on our lips. I'm going to take my makeup mirror, my 5 products. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And my dual brush, just in case I need a little touch up. I hope you enjoyed this. I certainly did. Thanks for joining me today. Be sure and get more videos, ring the bell, subscribe, and remember, age does not define you. It's just a number. Doing my darlings. Bye.